Curly Crew, it's Alyssa here, and we already know what time it is. It is time to go back curly. As you can see, I have definitely kept this as long as I possibly could, but it's now time to return to our roots, and that is curly hair. So step one of what I do for the best way to go back to curly hair, because you want to eliminate as much damage as possible and just respect the curls. So my step one here is we're going to go ahead and shampoo our hair, and we already know what I use. It is definitely going to be the one and only Bounce Curl. This is the Pure Silk shampoo. I'm not going to lie, I do prefer the other shampoo, but I bought a few of these bottles, so I have to get rid of these first, and then I will definitely reorder my favorite shampoo. But for now, we're going to be using this one. So I'm going to wash my hair, and then we shall be back to kind of see what we are looking like. As you can see, my curls are coming back. I always double cleanse because it's kind of like when you're cleaning your face, you're double cleansing to make sure you get everything. So I feel like that first wash kind of loosens up the dirt. Second wash gets rid of everything, so your hair should feel nice and clean. Step number 2 of when I go back curly, I like to use a detox, and of course, we're using Bounce Curl. So this is a turmeric detox, and I have a full video on how I detox my hair just anytime I need to do it. But I like to do the detox after going back from straight hair, is because any product buildup with the different heat protectants and the serum that I use, as well as that hairspray that I use, I feel like specifically the hairspray kind of like clogs up my hair, so I want to make sure that I'm getting rid of all of that product so that my deep conditioner is going to fully penetrate my hair shaft. So with this, you're just going to section your hair off, and you leave this in for 12 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this detox to all over my scalp, and it will burn just a little bit, but nothing too bad. But I feel like I like that it burns because it makes you feel like it's really working. So you're just going to massage that into your scalp, and then I like to go ahead and put it throughout my hair as well. You don't need too much, but I like to make sure I feel it. Now that I have fully massaged this detox into my scalp and worked it all throughout my hair strands, I'm going to let it sit in my hair. The bottle says 12 to 15 minutes, so I like to use this foil hair cap because I feel like it causes your hair to exude heat, and then it kind of allows the product that you're using to penetrate your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on for my 12 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to move to step number 3. Okay guys, and once your detox is done, you're going to make sure that you fully rinse it out so the water turns clear and then some. You do not want any detox residue left over, so I made sure that I rinsed it out really good. And then as you can see, my curls are starting to come back to normal. My hair is getting pretty fluffy, so we're going to move on to the 3rd step, which is the longest step, and we are going to use one of my most used items, most loved items. This is the deep conditioner from, of course, Bounce Curl. This conditioner coincides with the line of the detox, so there's different lines within Bounce Curl, and this product goes with that detox. So you use this for 5 to 10 minutes. However, I'm going to use it for about 30, and I'm going to use it with this heat cap that I got on Amazon, and I will link it. So what I'm going to do is apply a very, very, very generous amount. I wash my hair with hot water because I want my hair shaft to be nice and open to accept this nutrients from this deep conditioner. I fully rinsed out my foil cap, so I'm going to put this on. Put this over it, let it sit for 30 minutes underneath this heat cap. You can read a book, watch your TV show, but just let your hair be able to fully soak up this deep conditioner. We're going to rinse it out and then get to the best part, which is styling our hair. Okay, after 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, however long you guys need, you're just going to go ahead and fully rinse your hair out. Once you let your hair sit in the detox for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, however long you want it to do it, you can even do it up to an hour. You're going to go ahead and thoroughly rinse your hair out with cold water. That makes sure you are sealing the moisture from the conditioner into your hair shaft. And then you're going to move on to styling like normal. If you want a full tutorial on how I deep condition, I'll link that. I will also link how I detox and then also how I style my hair. But I will just quickly show you what I do. I'm going to be doing a leave-in and Bounce Curl. Then we're going in with an oil. This one is from Curlsmith. And then we're going to do a cream, which is obviously Bounce Curl. You want to make sure your hair is wet, so I actually need to add more water to my hair. I'm going to go ahead and put in all the products and then just go ahead and style it like normal. Alright guys, she is back. My hair is pretty much fully dried after using the diffuser, so these are our final results. I do still feel some dampness to my hair, but overall all the curls are back. They look healthy. There's a little bit of frizz, but nothing too much. Sorry for the congestion in my voice. I'm not feeling well. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking after it being straight and me putting more heat on it than usual. But if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, I would love to hear what videos you guys would like to see from me. So go ahead and add that to the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.